Yeah, that is a problem. I have a couple of jeans that don't fit me anymore, but I have the hope that they will fit me again. But I know that they won't.
Fuck.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Betsy, and on today's video I am going to be reorganizing my closet and just getting rid of a bunch of stuff that I don't need, like, at all. And this video was filmed a while back. I think it was around a month ago or so, and I forgot to make an intro, so this is me doing the intro right now. And I'm gonna be talking through the process while I show the clips of me like clean out my closet and stuff. So if you're interested in watching me clean out my closet, then let's get started. So this is it. This is my closet. I don't think you can see the bottom of it, but I'll show it to you guys right now. But over here I have a bunch of books that I haven't read and that I will probably never read again. And down here I have like mostly like a couple of shoes, underwear. They are mostly in like those foldable cubes. This clean out my closet video is divided in 4 parts. The first one is me just getting rid of a bunch of clothes that I don't need. A few things you need to know about my closet. I share my closet with my brother. I used to like this a lot, but not anymore. He has one side and I have one side, but before all of this, I started taking over his side of the closet because many of my things just didn't fit in my side of the closet anymore, and it was just overfilled of like clothes that I didn't even wear. This shirt I used to wear a lot, like when I was 16. When I started filming this closet clean out, I didn't have a dresser. Now I got one. One of the main reasons I'm cleaning my closet is also because there's a lot of clothes that I just don't wear because they were my style once before, but like now I feel like my style has changed so much. So these are tube tops that I got from Cotton On, and honestly I like this one. The black one is really pretty, but I don't know why the white one, even though they're like the same size, it's like really big, like it's longer. I'm gonna keep the black one because that one I actually like. I think I'm gonna sell this even though it's really pretty. I am definitely keeping my Mexican shirts. Look how pretty they are. I'm gonna sell this. It's really pretty, but I just don't see myself wearing it. I just don't see myself wearing it anymore, so I'm just gonna sell it. This shirt, it's literally so pretty, and I've already worn it like a lot over the summer, so I'm gonna be giving it away because I don't see myself wearing it anymore. So these are all the clothes that I ended up getting rid of, and these are just from this side of the closet. Now we're gonna move on to the other side because I have more clothes there. But this was just gifted to me. This dress I wore a few times. It's literally so freaking flattering. It makes your butt look really good, but I just don't see myself wearing it anymore. These are all of the hangers that I was able to take clothes of. That's all of the pile that I got out of my closet. I still need to declutter more because I have a lot of workout clothes that I don't use. I have all of these clothes that I need to hang inside my closet, and hopefully I can get this done right now because it's already like 10 p.m. and I started like at 7, so I know the lighting is bad and I know you can see the pile of clothes behind me. It's super messy and it's bad. I have all of my jeans right here, and I only wear like 4 pairs every week. I am being dumb for having this many pairs of jeans, so I should get rid of some of them. I have a couple of jeans that don't fit me anymore, but I have the hope that they will fit me again, but I know that they won't. These ones right here fit me and I will probably wear them, so I'm keeping these. These jeans right here, being realistic, I am not gonna wear them anymore, so I'm just gonna sell them. These jeans, being realistic, I'm gonna try them on, and I don't feel like trying them on right now, but I am gonna try them on one of these days, and I'm gonna see if they fit me because literally, no joke, I just wore them once or twice, and if I am not able to wear them anymore, I'm gonna be pissed because they were 50 bucks and I just gained so many pounds. They are from Sara. I'm not even gonna try to say it in English because, like I said, I don't know how to say it. It just sounds so weird, and I'm pretty sure I'm not saying it right. So yeah, they were 50 bucks, so please buy them. Like literally my bucket's gonna hurt. I have the same pair in this light wash color. Now I gotta fold all of these clothes, and believe me, there are a lot, so let me show you. This is a pile of clothes that I'm gonna be selling, donating, or whatever the fuck I'm doing with them. Okay, so I'm at home and literally ignore the way that I look because I don't feel like dressing up. And I know my sweater has to stay right here because I was washing the dishes the other day and I don't know how I got bleach on my sweater. So this is what happened, and I tried to cover it up, but I couldn't. So it's whatever. I don't give a fuck. I'm gonna go to Goodwill today to donate some stuff that I found in my closet. I was thinking, like, why the fuck don't I do that with books? Because it's been so long since I've read a book. I'm just gonna keep the ones that I actually like and that I've read and that I feel like relate to me in some way. I'm so happy that I'm finally doing this because like I've been like putting this off for the longest time. This is just a few books.
I've been on my way up, now it's really far down. I don't think I'll
How the fuck I decided to buy this many books. I read this book in like 5th grade, I think, and I really liked it, but I'm gonna donate it. I have these 3 books right here, and I'm for sure gonna keep them because I love them. The second one is that once I decided what I wasn't gonna need anymore, I decided that I was gonna donate a bunch of my stuff. I basically made 3 piles, which was stuff that I was gonna keep, donating, and also selling. We are gonna go donate those clothes at Goodwill right now. I'm so glad I'm finally getting rid of them. So for selling, I have an Instagram account and I decided that I am going to be posting a lot of the clothes that I don't need. We just left Goodwill. We're gonna go pick up my brother right now, and honestly the worker was kind of rude because we literally just got there. He didn't even say hi or anything. He just grabbed the bags and then left. Like, he didn't do anything. A lot of the clothes that I decided to sell, I sold them at Plato's Closet way before the coronavirus was a really huge thing. I just got back from Plato's Closet and they actually returned some items to me. I had never sold to Plato's Closet before, but I actually got quite some money. I feel like they ended up choosing 15 items from all of my stuff that I wanted to sell, and they ended up giving me around 50 bucks. It was 49 something, so we can say that it was like basically 50 bucks. And that box right there is the one that they ended up returning to me. It's just like a bag of clothes, and I'm going to go through it again today, like later on this day, so that I can see if those items I can donate them to Goodwill. I'm honestly pretty happy with the fact that I actually was able to like sell a couple of items. 50 bucks is actually amazing. I really needed money, so I'm happy that I got to sell some clothes. I'm so happy that I'm finally learning to let things go and it doesn't bother me as much as it used to. Like, it was really hard for me to like let clothes go, but like now it's like I'm learning to just keep the things that I actually feel like I'm gonna wear. I'm gonna be selling some clothes on my Instagram too. I have an Instagram account especially for like selling clothes, and I don't really use it anymore, but like now I'm gonna start using it because I have clothes that I need to sell. So if you want to go check it out, this is the Instagram. The 4th part of reorganizing my closet was basically just getting a new dresser and just like fixing a lot of my clothes and putting them in the new dresser. It's not new, it was my brother's before, but he decided to give it to me. I have these cubes right here. This is for my underwear and this is for my leggings and jeans, and these are my pajamas. So yeah, I'm gonna be trying to arrange all of that into some of these drawers. Okay, so I basically fell asleep at 5 a.m. yesterday because I was trying to organize my dresser. I'm gonna show you kind of how I did it. This drawer is filled with tops that I basically haven't worn. In here I have like socks and bandanas and beanies. In here I'm making space because I'm gonna do laundry and I know that I still have more clothes. And then here I have pajama shirts, workout shirts, and just like regular shirts like this, you know, like kind of like street style. This drawer I'm not gonna show you guys, but it's basically just all of my underwear, my bras and stuff like that. And over here is my jeans, my skirts, leggings, jeans, workout shorts, and regular shorts. If we go over here in my closet, like I cannot believe I have this much stuff. But basically I just have like jackets, sweaters, hoodies, flannel shirts, dresses. Here I have all of the clothes that I want to sell. Honestly, I feel like I should start posting on my Instagram, but I don't know when I'm gonna be able to go to the postal office. Just here, I have some shoes that I don't really wear. Basically, that's that, but I'm gonna show you guys how organized my brother's closet. He has way less clothes than me, but basically, I put all of his shirts and hoodies and stuff like that, but I decided to organize it by colors. Here are his jeans. Thank you so much for watching my video. It was a big accomplishment for me to basically get rid of a lot of this stuff, because honestly when I was younger I wouldn't even be able to like dream of all of these clothes that I have now. I will probably make another one in the future because I still have a lot of clothes. So if you're interested on watching another one of those videos, then subscribe to my channel and like this video, because it really does help my channel and it helps me to see what you guys like or what you guys don't like. And yeah, if you got to this point in the video, then comment down below your favorite emoji. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.